Here are the items you will need in order to make your wig. I have some straight needles here and some thread that I already put together. I prefer straight needle because they work better for me. If you don't like straight needle, you can use whatever needles work for you. I have a dome cap, extra thread just in case the other one is not enough. And I have these pins right here. You will need those pins to secure your dome cap on top of your mannequin head so it doesn't move around so much. Scissors, and of course I have my closure, and I have my bundles here as well. I have 4 bundles. I have this mannequin head that I have been using for years, so don't worry about how it looks. And you will also need your mannequin head stand just to hold the mannequin head. When I'm making my wig, I always place my dome cap this way, and I'm making a middle part wig today, so I will put my closure on top. Here is my part. Just make sure the part is in the middle of the cap. I place my closure and secure it with the pin I showed you earlier. I forgot to mention earlier that you will need clips like this as well. Now we have to sew our closure all around the edges except the front. Now our closure has been secure. I did not sew. Remember I told you not to sew the front part. I did not sew the front part. I just sewed this side. I sewed the back and also the other side. I will turn the cap around so I can sew the inner side of the cap. I don't know if I'm making sense. Just keep watching. Here is our closure. Now that our cap is upside down, we have to sew some weave all around the edges, except where the lace is. The purpose of doing this is because when the wind blow your wig, you don't want the edges of your dome cap to be showing black. Now that I finished sewing my closure and also the inner part of my cap, I will start sewing my wig. I will start from the bottom and I will keep going until I get to the top part. When you're done cutting the lace, you have to cut the cap underneath the closure as well.